Lalela ke umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika, this is for you. Ngikhuluma nawe umuntu wase South Africa, wena ucabanga ukuthi ama South Africans awana ngqondo just because they are fighting for their country. Ngisho kuwona umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika ubona ukuthi ama South Africans are xenophobic just because they are fighting for their country. This is for you. Sondela. I only have 3 questions for you, South Africa. 3. The first question is, alright, angithi wena umqondo wakho sowawupakisha wawubeka somewhere, usubona kungcono ukuthi kumele usebenzise umqondo kasopolitiki thizeni nabo sopolitiki beneni balandelayo, nibona ukuthi ibona abacabanga kangcono kunani. Therefore it's best ukuthi uvele uyeke usebenzise wakho umqondo bese usebenzise wakhe, uyena ozokutshela ukuthi what is wrong and what is right. We understand? So sonke ke siyazi ukuthi kuba khona komuntu okufika la kulelizwe, it's not an accident, it was man-made. Umuntu oqhamuka kwamanye amazwe odla ngemthetho is here to replace South Africans from industries. Umuntu oqhamuka kwamanye amazwe odla ngemthetho ula to replace ama South Africans, ngifuna ukulewa izwe kahle, to replace ama South Africans. Khumbula ukuthi umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika unuka njengomzondo kuma capitalist. Umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika unuka njengomzondo kuba party bomnotho. Why? Because yena uphila ngaphansi kwama labor laws uma ngabe sebenza. Why? Because yena unaleyo democracy nyana esinayo la eSouth Africa. Therefore umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika is protected by ama right, a human right. You understand? Therefore that is why kunomuntu okufika la kulelizwe. Ama capitalists, they are just looking for those people whom they can exploit. When you understand the human exploitation, you will know what today we are talking about slavery. Slavery is when you are using a person ukuthi akhiqizele wena bese yena angatholi lutho. Yena makasebenzise the whole life yakhe ayisebenzise kuwe, asebenzise amandla akhe, asebenzise igazi lakhe. Uma engasenakho lokho, foko umkhiphele ngaphandle ayofa. That is mistreating umuntu. That is slavery. That is brutal. So umuntu okufika ula kule country to serve that. So if wena ne leader yakho you are claiming ukuthi niyabathanda abantu bokufika, ninozwelo nabantu bokufika, even if you have to compromise ngama South Africans, then why are you not rising against them businesses ukuze zokwazi ukutreata kahle abantu beni labenithi niyabathanda abantu bokufika, ukuze zokwazi ukustopa the human exploitation eyenzakala kuma companies? Yini ningarise against bona? Nalo kangaka nilwa nathi, yankulu kangaka impi phakathi kwami nawe eSouth Africa, silwa sibanga umuntu okufika. I-effort engaka oyisebenzisa mawulwa nami, why leyo effort ungayithatha uyisebenzise ukulwa nama companies? Yini ungaquestion leader yakho ukuthi why yalwa nama South Africans kuphela, ayilwi ngani nama businesses, ayilwi ngani nama companies, ukuze ezokwazi ukutreata lo yamuntu ileader yakhe ethi yamthanda njengomuntu? Baye kuphatha abantu njengezilwane. Why ileader yakhe ingalwi nabo? Iyalwa nathi. Thina we are clear. We are against umuntu olango ngemthetho. We are against illegality. We are against illegality. We are clear. But leader yakho nawe, you guys, you are rising against us. but you do not rise against illegality eyenzeka in these companies. Are you guys okay up here? All right. Question number 2. What is it that you want for South Africans? What is your plan about us as South Africans? Sengihlala isithi isikhathi ngizama ukunilalela. Ngifuna ukunithola ukuthi kahlehle njengoba nilwa ngakimpi inkulu kangaka phakathi kwenu nathi thina silwela le country. Nifuna senze njani? Ithini plan yenu ngathi? Angane nifuna abantu bokufika kubeyibona abasebenzayo. Nifuna abantu bokufika kubeyibona bakwazi ukuvula ama businesses benze intando yabo the way befuna ngakhona la kulelizwe. Nifuna abantu bokufika kubeyibona aba prioritizewayo la kule country. Nifuna abantu bokufika bekwazi ukuthengisa idakamizwa in peace. Nifuna abantu bokufika bekwazi ukuduna ama flat in peace. Nifuna abantu bokufika bekwazi ukwenza icrime in peace. Nifuna abantu bokufika bekwazi ukubulala ingqalasi izinda yethu la kulelizwe in peace. Nifuna abantu bokufika bekwazi ukuthatha izingane zethu zaseNingizimu Afrika bayisebenzise ukuthi zihwebe ngocansi. Nifuna abantu bokufika bekwazi ukushushumbisa izingane zaseNingizimu Afrika sithule thina singasho lutho. What is your plan ngama South Africans? Sengihlala isithi isikhathi nginilalele ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi nithini yangaka impi phakathi kwethu, nithini ngathi? Yini enifunayo? Nifuna senze njani thina singama South Africans? Ithini iplan yenu ngathi? Uma ngabe nisikhuza no South Africa you are xenophobic. Ithini plan? Why ningake nisho ukuthi iplan ithini? Sinikhuza la but here's the plan. Where is the plan for us ama South Africans? Ngakhuluma nje ngathi nalwa nalwela abantu bokufika. Nalwela abantu bokufika abadlango ngemthetho. Kodwa ayikho iplan enikhuluma ngathi. Ithini iplan ngama South Africans? What are you saying? Ngathi sakhala kangaka. Kwafika kangaka eSouth Africa. Saphila nibhojoze ezweni lethu. Nithini ngathi? Right, question number 3. Do you even know that there was territories even before Berlin Wall? Berlin Conference, Even before Berlin Conference, there was territories in Africa. Berlin Conference iyasizela nani nama borders. Asikususe border, asimsusu country. Before that Berlin Conference, there was territories in Africa. You wouldn't go to any place kuma territories abanye abantu ufike wenza intando yakho. So why now must we allow that? Why? If you couldn't do that at that time, why now? Angithinteni against yona ama territories, ama countries, ama borders. Right, asikususe lokho ngoba vele kuyaxiliza le country kumosha ikhanda ngoba vele livele limosha ke asikususeke lokho. Vele ulimele asikususe lokho. Asibuye kuma territory lawo sasivele sinawo. Lawo sasivele sinawo. Into ongakwazi ukuthi wena uhambe ujampele kwenye territory kwakuvele kuno line ukuthi awujampi la ufike kwenza intando yakho ngale. So why must we allow it now? Uyazibona ukuthi ulimele umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika. We are born ukuthi something is wrong la kuwe ekhaya. We are very clear. We are saying we want to fix our country. We want to rebuild our country. Whether you are against that, kahle kahle yini oyifunela ama South Africans? Ufuna senze njani? Ngokwakho yini oyifunela thina? Ufuna ngithi? Yini wakucabanga ukuthi lama leaders wenu aya control? Wayengakubona ukuthi nawe ayasetshenziswa. Yini wakwinake le nto nawe ayasetshenziswa? Because awukwazi ukuba ulandela umuntu o rise against thina but akakwazi ukurise against illegality eyenziwa osoma business. What about yena? Zishani ngaye kahle kahle.
Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment below. Tell us what do you think about this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.